Visiting Tbilisi, some small mistakes can always ruin your trip. I'm a local guide and today I'm going to share you tips that you should not do during your stay in Tbilisi, Georgia. Stay tuned and learn more. Disrespecting churches and monasteries. What tourists do wrong? Talking loudly in the church, taking photos during the prayers. Remember, Georgia is a country of traditions, so always be respectful to local culture and remember that at the entrance of almost any church you can find these scarves, so dress appropriately. Don't consider that everyone is Russian or Russian speaker here. The big mistakes from tourists is that they automatically start conversation in Russian. Hey, we are here in Georgia, so always start with Kamarjoba and locals will appreciate your attempt. Avoid random taxis in the street. They can overcharge tourists. No taxometers, prices are random. Instead, use international platforms and always make sure to check your price before your ride. Don't ignore local food etiquette in Georgia. Georgian culture is about sharing and hospitality. You should expect longer time with supra with Georgians. Some tourists make mistake and they reject or ignore local food without any explanation. Remember, the food is best in Georgia itself, so never miss your chance to try local food here. Don't expect infrastructure to be too tourism friendly. Some signs can be in Georgian only, and some small shops may not speak English. Use translation apps, Google Maps, and be patient. Locals always are helpful when you try to be respectful. Now some bonus tips from me as a local guide what you should do here. Learn basic Georgian words before your trip here, always be respectful to local culture and traditions and step away also from touristy zones and always be ready to explore local neighborhoods. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and if you are planning your trip to Georgia, make a comment below and I will reply. Hope to see you soon. Bye!